Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer education expenses into TuitionTracker tax worksheet detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your TuitionTracker software. Navigate to the tax worksheet section within the platform. Locate the education expenses category. Gather all relevant documents reflecting your education expenses. This may include receipts, invoices, or financial aid statements. Once you have your documents, identify the types of expenses you need to enter. Common expenses include tuition, textbooks, and course-related fees. In the TuitionTracker interface, click on the Add Expense button. Fill in the required fields for the first expense. Enter the date when the expense was incurred. Input the amount spent on that expense. Specify the type of expense from the drop-down menu. If applicable, add a brief description for clarity. Repeat this process for each education expense you gathered. Double-check that all amounts and descriptions are accurate. Review the total sum of your education expenses listed in the worksheet. Ensure that the expenses align with the tax guidelines relevant to your situation. Once everything is finalized, save your tax worksheet data. You can then proceed to generate reports or file your taxes accordingly. Keep your receipts and documents organized for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.